to draw the curve. So this total ordinate is WL square by 8. So ultimate ordinate is 30. And here the point load is there. So below the point load, the ordinate is 30 kN meter. Here the point load is there. So the triangular diagram is there. So we can hatch the common part. If we hatch the common area, the remaining area will be the bending moment diagram. So this is the bending moment diagram. And the area, now the line which is joining the fixed end moments, now this is our new baseline. This line is our new baseline. Above this baseline is plus, below this baseline is minus values are there. And this is your BMD in kilonewton meter. So now we have solved this given problem by using moment distribution method. So this is our moment distribution method. So we have solved this by moment distribution method. Now this is the tabular format. These distribution factors and fixed end moments that we have already calculated. We have done the calculation. Then we have simply do the algebraic sum of the moments, then multiply by distribution factor and write it with opposite sign. Then see the nearer supports. Okay, so if it is fixed, then it can carry the moment. If it is not fixed, then you cannot transfer this moment. Remember this. If this is the hinge support, you cannot transfer this moment over there. Your first job is to make this moment 0 if this is the hinge support. But here in this case it is fixed, so it can carry the moment. So we have transferred the moment. And after transferring, we have balanced this joint B. So here you can see that the joint B is balanced. Okay, after balancing the joint, we stop the process. And after that, these are our fixed end moments. So we have plotted our fixed end moments over here. This is the fixed end moment diagram. Over that, now we have superimposed simply supported bending moment diagram. So simply supported bending moment diagram, for UDL it is curve, and for point load it is triangular diagram. Okay, this ordinate is also 30. Then common part we have hashed. The remaining is nothing but your bending moment diagram. Okay, so thank you for watching this. If you are having any query, you can ask me on my mail, gosavi@coe.sweri.ac.in. You can mail me on this mail if any queries are there. Okay, thank you.